Alright guys, today's video is going to be my check engine light, which is a P0420 code, which is the cat. So today I'm going to try the lacquer thinner that I've seen a few people do on YouTube. I first saw it on Scotty Kilmer's channel. I'm going to try it out and let's see. As you can see, here's the lacquer thinner. As you can see, put the whole gallon in there, try to get every drop. Hopefully it works. Alright, we're at 181,503, drive for about 150 miles, and let's see what's going on. Hopefully it works. Alright guys, here we are. It's another day. It's a couple of 100 miles after, and as you can see, check engine light is still on. So you already know the lacquer thinner did not work for me, but who's to say that it might not work for you? If you want to try it, go ahead. I'm thinking that maybe I'll try it again. I'm guessing it didn't work for me because the converter is either extremely dirty, or when I was on the highway, my RPMs just weren't high enough. I was driving it in D. Maybe I should have had it in sport mode, because sport mode actually revs a little higher. So I'm guessing that might be the issue. But like I said, it didn't work for me. The car's still acting the same. When I drive it regular and normally, it drives fine, but it does burn a lot of gas. So what I'm gonna do, basically, I'll get the new cat, get it installed, take the old one out, I'll put it in some soap and water, see what happens, see if the honeycombs get cleaned. But I'm still gonna install the new cat and take it from there, see what happens. But like I said, if you want to try it for yourself to see how it works, you can go ahead and try it. It didn't work for me, which kind of sucks, because 20 bucks down the drain. It could have went to the new catalytic converter. But hey, it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully when the new cat is installed, it eliminates the problem. I just hope there's not something, a bigger issue. So I'm gonna end it here. See you guys next time. You can leave me some comments, like, subscribe, share, and have a good day, everybody.